Morning, everybody. It's 9:07, and this is going to be short and sweet. Today is the last day of the third quarter. There's usually some window dressing up and down since this has been so volatile. But we did have economic numbers this morning, and let's just start in Asia. We were mixed to slightly higher in Europe. Also, China and South Korea are both closed today. We had consumer spending, which was up 0.4%. That's a month over month number. That was slightly lower than the 0.9 from last month, but that was also a revision up from 0.8. As far as personal income rose zero point 0.4 month over month. The consensus was for up zero point 0.5, but zero point 0.4 was versus a zero point 0.2 increase in July. The PCE price index was up 0.4. That was versus 0.4. Core PCE, which is another one of the Fed's favorites, rose 0.1 in August. It was expected up 2, and it also followed an up 2 from last month. Advanced trade in goods deficit, always a deficit, came down from 90.9 to 84.3. So I guess that's somewhat decent. August hotel wholesale inventories declined a tenth in August from a revised 0.2 decline, which was up from 0.1. Retail inventories jumped 1.1 in August from a revised 0.5 final, which was up from 0.3 for last month. We had another new weight loss drug getting great results. The symbol for the stock is GPCR, George, Paul, Charles, and Ringo. Structure Therapeutics. This is a stock that has only been around this year with a high of about 20, low of 20, high of about 42. And closed last night 37.47. This morning it has been as high as 82.12, and the last is 64.79. That's up 27.32, and that's a little over 72%. So GPCR. Also, we had a big reversal yesterday on the Nike, or actually overnight. The stock was sharply lower after the numbers, primarily, I think, because the margins came in from 54 to 44. That's a pretty big miss on margins when you consider that this company uh, basically 2 years ago went direct to consumer, and everybody thought that was going to be so great. Well, it's their first revenue miss in 2 years. I'm unimpressed. The stock is down from 130 to this 99, so it's still down over 30% in a year that the market's been up. And I guess you can blame that on a couple of things, but most specifically, I would say the Chinese market. Interest rates are slightly lower this morning, so bonds up. FedEx initiated with a buy rating over at HSBC. It's 268 and change, up $1.66. Anheuser-Busch upgraded to buy from neutral, 55.57. That's up 201. And GameStop on yesterday's news that the guy from Chewy has come over to GameStop. So anyway, Ryan Cohen, I'm sorry. That's what you get for being 73. Okay, folks, as far as the futures go, they're strongly higher. Um, we have the Dow opening probably up about 200 and change. We have the NASDAQ up 140, and we have the S&P up almost 30, 29.52. So a decent bounce. Again, it's the last day of the month. It's the last day of the quarter, and it could get pretty volatile on a Friday afternoon. Have a good one.